What's up guys? I just gave the WRX a nice wash at the car wash. It's looking really nice and clean. Minus the engine bay, gotta do that today. But I'm back in the garage and I'm gonna be installing these down here. These are the HT Auto's rear spats, or like rear lip pieces. They actually just clip into place up here like that. They come with all the clips you need and everything. So I'm gonna be doing these. It's gonna be pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm gonna get started and put those on. All right, we've got one down. Now we've got one more to go. Alright guys, so the rear spats are on now, they're all in place, and it's funny because even the simplest of installs, I always seem to run into some sort of roadblock along the way. Something that should take like 10 minutes to install, this ended up taking like 20 minutes because the clip that's closest to the wheel well, if you have the mud flaps, that creates an extra layer of there's a bracket beneath the bumper there. So to push that clip in place, it has to go through the bumper, the mud flap, and then into the fender. But once you add the rear spat, that's another layer, and it's just like really hard to push that bracket up into place. So I just had to push it like super hard, and it popped into place thankfully. So now they're all secured and they're in place, and I think they look really good. They just kind of flow with that trim that's on the bottom of the bumper that's black. It just kind of wraps around now and it connects like right to the mud flap there. So just a nice black line along the whole bottom now, around the corner of the bumper. And it just flows really good, it looks really nice, and I know when I add the side skirt pieces on, it's gonna just connect everything all together from the front lip, the splitter, the sides, and the back. It's gonna look super good. So that's it, that's how to install these rear spats. It literally should take 10 minutes, but you might run into some troubles with a few of the clips trying to get them in place. It's kind of tricky, but yeah, it's a nice install, looks good. So if you guys are interested in doing it, I hope this quick video helps you install it. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment down below, of course. As always guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are. Also guys, one last quick thing. I still have some of these small stickers left if you're interested. These Subi stickers, I've got, I think, the blue, the DGM, a couple silvers, and the whites. So if you're interested in picking these up, I designed these on the computer and drew them out, printed them off into these mini decals or stickers, and I have them available on my site, ninjaxbart.com. So if you guys want to pick those up, help support the channel, I'll have the link down below in the description. Thanks guys.